Hi guys, welcome back to Cybrosys. Are you guys still managing documents manually or dealing with piles of paperwork? In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully paperless office using Odoo 19's document management system, making your workflow faster, smarter, and more organized. So obviously for that, we need the documents module. So here we have the documents. Document management in Odoo 19 allows you to store, organize, share, and manage these files digitally. And it is going to help your businesses to reduce the paperwork, improve the collaboration, and keep everything accessible in one place. So you have the document module here. Otherwise, I mean, if it's not there, you have to go to the App Store and install it. Okay. So after installing, you're ready to go paperless. So the very first thing is to understand the workspaces. Okay, so these are all different workspaces that you can see. I'll put it in list view, okay, or in the Kanban itself, whatever. Now you can see the different folders over here. So basically these folders or these documents are organized using workspaces. Okay, so each workspaces acts like a folder for different departments. Now if you simply expand this company, you have a lot of folder like things over here. Okay, so I'll just expand the fleet where you can see the documents corresponding to vehicles, drivers, and maintenance. So if you open the drivers, there is nothing. Let's see where we have data. In the finance, you have the purchase. Okay, this is how the documents look. So in the renovation projects, you have this um, file over here or a document, which is, a JPG file. If you open this, this is what you can see. Okay, so you have the option to zoom in, zoom out, search, then you can rotate this over here. See, you can print it as well as download it. And in the actions also, I mean on top also, you can see the download and share button, and in the actions you have the option to duplicate it, rename it, information and tags, move it, create a shortcut, manage versions, and lock and copy the links of the document. Okay, so very basic thing is that you can upload a document inside the documents module just by clicking on new over here and simply click on upload. So wherever you have document, if in the documents, if you have any document, I'm having an employee contract PDF, I've uploaded it. Okay, so this is how the contract, I mean any PDF can be uploaded. Okay, you can select any file or you can drag and drop files directly into Odoo from your system. Okay, so this is the folder. Now if you open this, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is the PDF that I have uploaded right now. It will be showing you the different pages, and on the action side you can see the options as renaming it, the info and tags. Like if you click on this, you have the option to add tags over it. Okay, so the renovation project, I mean you can set the tag over here, you can set the owner, okay, the company, and all such things can be done, can be done from here. And this is the tag section. So in the tags, if it's in use, you can add the tag as in use. I mean multiple tags can be added over here. If it's a new one, plans, HR related one, whatever it is, that tag can be used over here. From here you can actually change the owner. So by default it will be Michelle admin because we have logged in as Michelle admin. So this document makes it easy to find it later. Okay, so once you have done everything, you can simply remove it. So I've removed that, and here you can see the owner. Okay, employee contract PDF is the name, and Michelle admins, the picture is given over there. Okay, and then you have the option to link documents to different records. So it's another powerful feature. Okay, it's linking the documents to business records. So if you go to the sale order, we have the sales module here. If you go to the sale order and all, you have the option to attach different files. Okay, so in the log you have this thing called attaching. So if I attach one file, the exact same file over here, it will be attached over here. Okay, So a document can be attached like this, and now your document is directly connected to the transactions. Okay, so that's how it works. Then you have the automations and workflows. So you have the option to play with the signature. Now this is the sign. Okay, you can drag and drop or upload a file. If you go to documents, you have my documents or my request. So I'm just removing it. You have these much documents, or simply you can upload one. I'm uploading the employee contract over here. And as you upload the file, you can add signature towards the document. Okay, you can request for signature. You can move to workspace and assign to different users. For example, this invoices and all can automatically be sent for approvals. So we'll talk about the digital signature. Now you can also sign the documents digitally. So this actually makes it paper free. Okay, no need for printing, like everything is done online. Now if you want a signature, simply drag and drop where you want the signature. So I want one over here on top. Okay, so the signature can be seen over here. Now the placeholder, the signature, if you want to change it, you can change that. Okay, so I'll simply give a name as Tom and I'm saving it. Okay, so likewise you can change the signer. Okay, so Tom is my new signer, so you can see the signature I've changed. Similarly, the name, phone, the check boxes, selections and all can be added. So as you go down, wherever you want the signature, you can add the signature likewise. So that you don't have to take the print out. Okay, and then, so here is the employee signature. I'm adding the signature over there. Likewise, the signature can be added. I'm just saving it. So right now you have signed a document, saving and closing it right now. Now, if you want to mark or save it as a template, the document will be saved as a template. So finding document is quick and easy right now. If you go back to the documents, this is the documents. Okay, here you have the search bar. Now, if you want a document, let it be the contract itself. Search for the, no, that's a spelling mistake, right? So if you go on and search for the contract will appear. So it's very easy. And you have this search, I mean, inside the search bar, you have this filter, group by and all. And based on the tags that you specify also, you will get the document. So you can locate any documents in seconds. That's the other interesting part of the documents. So let's take a real example. Okay, a company stores all invoices, contracts, and employee documents in Odoo. So instead of searching through files, they access everything instantly, which is improving your efficiency and saving a lot of your time. So here are some pro tips. You can use clear naming conventions, organize with workspace and tags, automate approvals, and also restrict access for sensitive documents. Okay, so that's how you can build a paperless office using Odoo 19. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.